Hi guys, so today's job, we're in Wolverhampton and today's job is to change the glass to white reinforced panelling. So it kind of makes it more secure and people can't see what letters are coming in and parcels, so that's what we're doing. Right, so the next process, guys, is to put the panel into the glass frame. Let's see what you think. It does make it look a lot better. And it gives that bit of security so no one can't see in. But you still got the light coming from the top, you know what I mean? Enough, not a lot, just... Right guys, so we've got all the panels in. Like I said before, a bit more security, a bit more privacy, so when you're posting letters, it drops on the floor, no one sees it. If you've got any parcels or whatever in here, no one can't see it. So anyway, come outside, have a look, see what you think. So that's the finished product. Take a look. If you like it, like, share, subscribe. If anything, leave some comments, tell me what you think.